MC on the Bells. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today we're going to talk about an Olympiad standard sum on linear equation on the topic of algebra. I'm going to read the sum before we can begin. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes half. Find the fraction. Okay, now if you can recall, in my previous episode, we talked about the same sum, but we used only one literal to solve it. That is, we expressed both the numerator and denominator in terms of one literal. But in today's sum, in the same sum only, we're going to use two different literals to solve it. Let's see how we can do it. Let's consider the numerator as x. And let's consider the denominator as another literal, y. Now, we need to find the fraction. Now, in fraction in terms of x and y would be x by y. We have taken two literals, means we need to form two equations to solve it. If we don't form two equations, it's not possible to do this. In our first, here, denominator is more than the numerator, because it's very easy to understand. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. That means y is greater than x, and the difference is 4. That means our first equation we can write as y minus x equal to 4. Let's consider this as 1. Now, our second part of the sum tells us if 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes half. Let's form this equation. Our original fraction is x by y. That means by adding 1, it would become x plus 1 by y plus 1. And our equation suggests by data, x plus 1 by y plus 1 equal to half. Let's go on forward with this. Or, again, we're going to do cross multiplication. We got y minus 2x equal to 1. Let's consider this as 2. We've considered y minus x equal to 4 as 1 and y minus 2x equal to 1 as 2. Now we need to my motive is to somehow eliminate the y and get x for now, and later on we can substitute value of x in any of these two equations and get y. Let's see how we can do it. Well, we can use subtraction to do this. Then let's subtract 1 from 2. Then we get y minus 2x minus y minus x. Now on the other side, 1 minus 4. Or y minus 2x minus y plus x equal to minus 3. Or cancel out the y, and we get minus x equal to minus 3. Or now we just cancel out the minus in our mind and we get x equal to 3. Now we need to get y, but due to lack of space, I'm erasing the board so that I can move on to getting y. Now we got x as 3. Let's take our equation 1. Then from 1, we get y minus x equal to 4. Or we got y minus 3 equal to 4. Or y equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 7. Now we need to move on to find our original fraction. In terms of literals, our original fraction was x by y. Then x is 3 by y is 7. 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is our final answer. And this is our original fraction. I'm giving you a few moments to look at the board so that it can sharpen your concept. Hope you enjoyed solving this sum with me, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.